I know about a fundraising event that was organized to support local animal shelters. The cause was to raise money to support local animal shelters, and sales tickets were the primary source of funding. Additionally, there were a donation booth and a silent auction featuring art pieces donated by local artists. I remember I bought a ticket myself, and it felt great to contribute in a direct and personal way. What really impressed me was how the community organized everything by themselves without relying on any professional event planners. They set up the stage, sold tickets, and even managed the social media promotion. It was such an inspiring example of people coming together for a good cause. In my opinion, even like charity concert, fun runs, and auction are the best for fundraising. They attract large crowds, and participants are often willing to donate, especially if they are enjoying or getting something in return. One of the advantages is that this type of event can generate a lot of interest and excitement, so people feel more inclined to contribute. Another advantage is that these events provide an opportunity to raise awareness about the cause, which is crucial for ongoing support. I think it's really especially to make an attention for people to realize how much this organization needs help until they see it for themselves. However, a disadvantage is that organizing such an event requires a lot of effort and resources. So it's not always easy to ensure everything goes smoothly. In some cases, the event might not raise as much money as expected. The charity concert I know about was such a success. It really showed me how much people care about their community. Even when the event was entirely organized by volunteers, the energy in the crowd felt contagious, and it was clear that everyone there was passionate about helping the animals. Thank you.